Hello friends, today we will see how to convert Word format file into PPT, and second we will see how to convert Word format file into PDF, and third we will see how to convert PDF into PPT. So let's begin. So first of all we have to open any browser. So here I have opened Google Chrome. So just type here Word2, and you can see that option is visible here. That is Word to PDF converter online. Just click on it and scroll down. I think this one is, yeah, we can use this one. So we have to do what? We have to just click on this button, choose a Word file. So I just click on it and it will open my internal memory, and just search your document here. So let me take a document. So for example I take assignment 1 here, which is Word format file, that is a doc format file. So I just selected it, and now you can see it is processing. So we have to wait for a few seconds, and after it get completed, we have to download it from here. So a button visible here for download. So just click on it and it will get downloaded, and you can see this Word format file is converted into PDF, and it is downloaded also. So I am opening in folder, and you can see it has converted. Let me check. I am opening it. Just wait, it is opening. Yeah, you can see that it has converted into PDF format. In the same way we can convert our Word format file into PPT. So just go on the browser, and let me open another tab. And simply search Word to PPT converter, and you will get lots of option, but I will suggest to use this one. And here we have to do what? The same thing we have to do. Just choose a file from here. It will open your internal memory and search a file from there. So let me take again the same file, assignment 1, and I have uploaded, and just wait for a few seconds. Okay, after uploading you have to click this button, convert. So it will take few seconds and it convert into PPT. So just wait, it is converting. Now you can see it is under process. You can use these website in your mobile phone also. It will work in the same way. Actually I will provide the link of all the websites in the description. It is taking time, I think, due to my internet speed. So just wait. Now you can see it has finished. Now I can download it from here. Just click on the download button and it will get downloaded. Now you can see its extension is converted into PPT. So let me open it. First of all, show in the folder. You can see it has come here. Now I am opening it. Now you can see it will open in PowerPoint, that is in the PPT format. Okay, now we will see how to convert a PDF into PPT. So just come on the website, any web browser, and open another tab, and just search PDF to, okay, PDF to PPT converter. Now let me see which one is best for converting PDF to PPT. So I think I have used this one before. Yeah, so in the same way, just click here to choose a file, and from here I'm selecting the PDF file, and just upload it. It is uploading and it is converting. Now you can see it has converted, and I can download it from this button. So I have clicked and you can see it is downloaded also. So let me open. What happened? Why it is not opening? Yeah, you can see it has converted into PPT format. So let me open. Yeah, you can see it is also opening in the PowerPoint. So it has converted into PPT. So that's all for today. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get a more informative video of this kind. Thank you.